Pay attention to what is on my screen right now. I am refreshing my account live to show you today's fresh Adsterra earnings and payment proofs. This is the exact daily performance you get using the Adsterra loading method. From your very first day, you get a 100% earning guarantee, bringing in a minimum of $100 in profit every single day on complete autopilot. Let's break down how accessible this is. No expensive hardware needed. You don't need a high-spec computer or heavy hardware. This lightweight bot is engineered to run smoothly on any ordinary laptop or PC you already own. No website required. You can completely skip the hassle and expense of buying domain names, building websites, or paying monthly web hosting. Everything operates directly through your Adsterra direct link. Zero hidden fees. There are no surprise monthly charges, no recurring subscriptions, and zero additional investment needed down the road. Full lifetime access to this complete method and custom bot is available for a simple, flat, one-time payment of $250. To ensure fast and secure global transactions, I accept Binance, USDT, and Payout. I know skepticism is high because of all the fake screenshots and edited videos online, and being cautious is smart. That is why I offer complete, open transparency. If you have any doubt that these numbers are real, message me right now. I will gladly jump on a live AnyDesk session with you, log into my real Adsterra account, and refresh the dashboard live right before your eyes. My name is Adam and Froy. Stop sitting on the sidelines while others collect daily profits. Send me a direct message right now. Claim your copy of the bot.